ZTQ-15 in 2026, the vanguard of lightweight battlefield dominance. In an era where modern warfare demands speed, flexibility, and precision, China's ZTQ-15 light tank, also known as the Type 15, has quietly become a strategic game-changer. While heavier tanks dominate headlines, it is this nimble and adaptable platform that has redefined how armored warfare works in extreme terrain. In 2026, the upgraded version of the ZTQ-15 continues to push boundaries, proving that power isn't just about size, but smart design and tactical versatility. Designed for mobility in high-altitude regions and complex terrain, the ZTQ-15 was China's response to specific geographic and tactical challenges, especially along the borders of Tibet and Southeast Asia. Unlike main battle tanks that often struggle in mountainous or jungle environments, the ZTQ-15 thrives where others fail. Weighing under 36 tons, the tank is armed with a 105mm rifled gun, capable of firing APFSDS, heat, and guided missiles. It includes a modern fire control system, laser rangefinder, and thermal imaging, allowing it to engage targets effectively in all weather and light conditions. Its modular armor offers protection against light and medium anti-tank threats, and can be upgraded with explosive reactive armor (ERA) if needed. The 2026 upgrade introduces key improvements: a more efficient hybrid diesel engine system, AI-assisted target acquisition, improved battlefield networking for drone and UAV integration, enhanced crew comfort for extended operations in harsh terrain. But it's the tank's terrain agility that makes it exceptional. From high-altitude plateaus to muddy lowlands, the ZTQ-15's hydropneumatic suspension ensures maneuverability and stability. It's a tank built not just to fight but to go where other tanks can't. While the ZTQ-15 might not match heavier tanks like the Type 99A in armor or firepower, its tactical role is vital: hit fast, hit smart, and survive. In asymmetric warfare, speed and adaptability are often more valuable than brute strength. Even as drone warfare and autonomous systems dominate the headlines, the ZTQ-15 remains an example of how manned armored platforms continue to evolve. It's a tank designed for the wars of tomorrow, lightweight, lethal, and networked. In 2026, the ZTQ-15 stands as a symbol of China's modern military philosophy: don't just build bigger, build smarter. It may not roar as loud, but it moves with purpose, and strikes with precision.